Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Mazda 3 headlight. First, gather your tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a new headlight bulb. It's crucial to have the correct bulb type for your Mazda 3. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before starting any electrical work. This prevents accidental shorts and protects you. Next, turn your front wheel inward to give yourself more room to work. You'll need to remove a few plastic clips and screws that hold the wheel well liner in place. Use your flathead screwdriver for the clips and the Phillips head for the screws. Once these are out, gently pull back the wheel well liner to reveal the back of the headlight assembly. This step provides the necessary access to the bulb. Now, locate the electrical connector on the back of the old bulb. Twist it counterclockwise to detach it. Then, unclip the retaining spring that holds the bulb firmly in its housing. Carefully pull out the old bulb. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Secure the retaining spring and reattach the electrical connector by twisting it clockwise. Finally, push the wheel well liner back into place, ensuring it aligns correctly. Reinstall all the clips and screws you removed earlier, making sure they are secure. Once everything is back together, reconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. Turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working properly. This completes the replacement process, and you're ready to drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.